We are at Thousand Trails Orlando. I think it might rain pretty soon. This is a pretty bad storm. Oh man. There's some lightning over there. I see it. I think most of the lightning comes from over here. So, prepare for the storm. So it's going to help. Starlight kept blowing over. I just laid it down flat, wrapped the cord around. That would keep it from flying. Take the flag down. Everybody's buckling everything up, getting ready to in for a win. Ooh, golly, I don't like it. It's horrible. That wind feels good though. I love storms. I'm a weirdo, I guess. Well, wish us luck. We should get through this storm okay, I think. We've had a couple bad ones come through here several years ago when we were in a different area, and it just felt like this was going to blow the camper over. So we'll see what this one's going to do. So, talk to y'all later.